divide and conquer versus the dynamic programming. Very important concept of DSA. Divide and conquer solve independent subproblem without storing result. If you take an example of binary search, there is a pointer made that need to be compare your desired result and it return the index. No need to storing the result. We just find out the index and return it. And go for the dynamic programming. Solve overlapping subproblem by storing and reusing the solution. If you take an example of tree and graph, they need to store the data after traversing every node. It's actually useful for the backtracking. And if we show the clearly means the difference. The subproblem divide and conquer independently. For the dynamic programming, it's overlapping. Reuse of solution, no use of solution, use of solution. Storage, divide and conquer not required, but in the case of dynamic programming, required. You need to store the data. Approach, it's recursive and it's recursive as well as iterative also. Time or complexity, it's lower but it's higher. Space complexity, lower and it's higher.